Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity. So today I've got an exciting opportunity for the tech enthusiast and the network operations also. So Zoho Corporation is hiring for the role of network operation engineer. So the location is of Chennai. If you are passionate about the networking and infrastructure management, stay tuned. We are going to discuss all the details about this job role, what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply for this, and what are all the skills that are required. All the things are discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where we will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk about the Zoho. Zoho is the name of Synthesis with the innovation and excellence in the software solutions. Continues to expand its horizon as a global leader. Zoho empowers the businesses worldwide with a cutting-edge application. So joining Zoho means becoming a part of the tech-driven environment that growth in creativity and excellence in this company. Now, let's talk about the role overview that is exactly the network operation engineer do. As an NOC engineer, your primary responsibility will be managing the day-to-day operations of Zoho's data center network infrastructure. So, you will monitor the network performance, respond to the incident, troubleshoot the issues, and ensure the continuous availability of the critical services. It is a dynamic role that demands a sharp technical skills and the proactive approach to the problem solving. Now let's talk about the key responsibilities. So first you will be monitoring the network performance, that is you will use advanced network management tools to monitor the health and performance of the infrastructure systems where you are ensuring the seamless operations are going well or not. Incident response, in case of network issues, you will step in and investigate, diagnose and resolve the root cause effectively. Troubleshooting and as well as communication, you will analyze the issues using the tools like Wireshark and collaborate with the teams to maintain the smooth operations. 24 by 7 support, be prepared for the rotational shift for ensuring the Zoho's global operations run without interruption. Now, skills and certifications that are. Let's talk about the skills and as well as certification that Zoho is looking for ideal candidate. A strong understanding of the networking protocols like TCP, IP, DNS, DHCP, BGP, and OSPF is must in this. Hands-on experience with the Cisco routing, switching, and firewalls will give you edge. So, certifications such as CCNA, CCNP, or CompTIA network plus are highly preferred in this loop. And let's not forget your need to explain the problem solving skills and experience with the monitoring tools also. Now, why this role is all about? Why should you consider the Zoho? Zoho offers a challenge you yet rewarding the environment where you will work with a state of the art technology. So, you will also gain the hands on experience in managing the data center. Now, let's talk about the application process. It's very simple. The simple description box, when you click on that link, you will get redirected to this page and head over the application form is over there. When you simply you can fill up this application form and by giving your resume and all those things, I can say please press on submit button. You can submit for this role. And remember, this role is open to the candidate with a 0 to 5 years of experience. So don't hesitate to apply even if you are a fresher also. So, and that's all about today's video of network operation engineer role at Zoho Corporation. So, what are you waiting for? Apply now and take the first step towards an exciting career. And let us know in the comments that if you have any questions or share your experience if you have applied to Zoho before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Opportunity Hunt for more updates on amazing job opportunities. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity. And good luck with your application.